Hey everyone, welcome back to CloudSutra. Today I've got you some exciting job opportunities to share with you. First we have from VivaTech Solutions is looking for a DevOps engineer. The key skills required include automation deployment, managing containerized application with Kubernetes and Helm, proficiency in CI/CD tools like Jenkins and Bitbucket, and knowledge of popular programming or languages such as Java, Python or Go. Next we have from Syfe. They are hiring for a DevOps intern in Gurugram, Haryana. As a DevOps intern, where you will be assisting in cloud infrastructure, scaling and maintenance, collaborating with developers, implementing CI/CD pipelines and managing Kubernetes clusters. The ideal candidate should have a strong understanding of Linux and AWS, knowledge of at least one programming language, and a degree in computer science or related fields, and certifications in AWS or Linux would be a plus. Lastly, we have HiUp Solutions. Olive Group is expanding and looking for DevOps engineer position. They are offering innovative projects, growth opportunities, and collaborative environment. To apply, send your resume and cover letter to given mail address. These are fantastic opportunities to kickstart your career in DevOps. Apply now and don't miss out the chance. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more updates on job opportunities. Good luck. Have a nice day.